Hey guys, welcome back to 7-6 example 2. We're graphing g of x equals e to the x plus 2. So I know my transformation of functions means it's just going to be my e to the x function, but shifted up 2. So that means that everything's going to shift up 2, including my asymptote. But let's go ahead and get a table from my graphing calculator. So y equals e to the x, e to the x plus 2 graph. So you can see now my graph is shifted up, right? So this number on the end is my vertical translation, which is where my asymptote is going to be now. So if I make a table, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Let me go to my calculator and get my table. So at -2, it's at 2.1. At -1, it's at 2.4. At 0, it's at 3. At 1, it's at 4.7. And at 2, it's at 9.3. Okay, so I have that from my calculator, so now I can graph. Now, one thing I'm going to keep in mind, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so here's my axis. At -2, it's at 2.1. Okay, right above 2. At -1, it's at 2.4. At 0, it's at 3. At 1, it's at 1, 2, 3, 4.7. And at 2, it's at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.3. So here, I plotted those wrong. So at -2, it's at 2.1, which is right here. And this one should be here. This one should be here. My bad, guys. So here is my graph. My first few points I did incorrectly. And remember, your k value, your horizontal translation, is now your new asymptote. So that's not part of my graph, sorry. And the equation of this horizontal asymptote is y equals 2, because I shifted it up 2, so that's my new asymptote. So for my domain, it's still -infinity to +infinity, but now my range is from 2 to infinity, because now it never goes below 2. Okay, we'll be graphing more of these in class tomorrow.